Today's topic is ordinal numbers. That's numbers like first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and so on. These are numbers that are different than just numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And today we're going to do that. But before we do that, I first want to get a like, a thumbs up, and hit the bell. And I also want to say to everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you to learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. And if you're tired of studying and not seeing progress, you're in the right place. I've created easy lessons that take you step by step, starting from the basics and moving up. You'll focus on key areas like grammar and listening, both super important to helping you understand and speak English naturally. This video is a part of a series of lessons. So if you've been learning with me or one of my teachers, it's a great way to review what we've already covered in class. Whether we're working together one-on-one in a group, or you're studying with one of my teachers, these presentations help you keep practicing and make progress. Think of this video as a tool to review the lesson, a way to go over the material again and make it stick. This way of learning really works. You'll start to understand and speak English with more confidence, so stick with it, keep practicing, and you'll see progress in no time. And if you want even more practice, you can find exercises on my website at davidenglish.info and that go perfectly with these lessons to help you learn faster. So let's get started, everybody. In this lesson, we're working on ordinal numbers, and I really want you to focus on pronunciation. So repeat after me sometimes when we do this activity. Use to count something in the order of numbers. Number 1 is the first. 2 is the second. 3 is the third. 4 is the fourth. 5 is the fifth. 6 is the sixth, and so on. Example: Monday is the second day of the week. She lives on the 5th floor of the building. You can think of this ordinal number as an adjective, something describing something. It always goes in front of the thing. So for example, which floor do you live on? Well, I live on the 5th floor, just like she does. I believe the best way at getting good at anything is by doing practice. So let's do some together. I will answer these with you and explain to you things along the way. Get a pencil and pen or a notebook ready. You can write down your answers if you want, or you could just go along with me. Let's start. Directions. Complete the sentence using an ordinal number. Number 1. Her birthday is on the 5th of May. You want to say on the 5th of May, or you can say on May 5th. Those are two ways to say dates. 2. The book is on the shelf from the top. I'm going to say the book is on the second shelf from the top. 3. He won first place in the competition. 4. My cousin's wedding is on the 12th of December, the 12th of December, or on December 12th. Listening to the pronunciation will help you significantly at real time. Let's continue. Number 5, they live on the 7th floor of the building. You want to say the 7th floor of the building, sticking the tongue through the teeth and saying 7th. Okay, let's continue. 6, the 4th chapter of the book is the most interesting. The 4th chapter of the book is the most interesting. 7. She was the 2 person to arrive at the party? No. She was the 2nd person to arrive at the party. The 2nd person to arrive at the party. 8. The museum is located on the street from here. Well, it's going to be the 3rd street from here. The 3rd street from here. 9. I'm in the 6th row of the concert hall. You want to say, I'm in the 6th row of the concert hall. The 6th row of the concert hall. Remember, focusing on pronunciation. Even repeat after me. This will help you. 10. Our meeting is scheduled for the 9th of January. For the 9th of January. For the 9th of January or January 9th. January 9th. Guys, at this time, please give me a like, hit the bell, and leave a comment. We'll make this channel grow more. Directions. Complete the sentence using an ordinal number. 11. She is the person I met at the party. I'm going to say she is the 2nd person I met at the party. The 2nd person I met at the party. 12. My birthday is on the 22nd of October. What do you think, guys? My birthday is on the 22nd of October. The 22nd of October. 13. This is the 7th book I've read this month. I'm going to say this is the 7th book I have read this book. So again, we're going in order. We're saying how many books we have read, and this is the 7th one until now. 14. The store is on the 12th street. Pronunciation. The store is on the 12th street. The 12th street. 15. They live on the 8th Avenue. 8th Avenue. The 8th Avenue. Here we go. 16. The event is on the 9th of September. On the 9th of September. On the 9th of September. This is the 15th time I've called you today. This is the 15th time I have called you today. The 15th. 15th. Very hard one to say. I'll say it again. 15th. She was the 4th person to arrive at the party. She was the 4th person to arrive at the party. She was the 4th person to arrive at the party. 19. They live on the 11th floor of the building. They live on the 11th floor of the building. The 11th floor of the building. And 20. The new store is located on the 20th street. 20th street. 20th street. And let's go to one more thing. At this point, we can try together. Just think about yourself and think about what numbers you have in your life. And then maybe tell me an example. My birthday is on the 11th of July or on July 11th. That's my example. And what about you? Let me know in the comments. At this point, this is the answer key. And I'll just read off the answers. And again, guys, you can go to davidenglish.info and you'll be able to find down there and on there more exercises to go with ordinal numbers. Let's read these together. Her birthday is on the 5th of May. The book is on the 2nd shelf from the top. He won 1st place in the competition. My cousin's wedding is on the 12th of December. They live on the 7th floor of the building. The 4th chapter of the book is the most interesting. She was the 2nd person to arrive at the party. The museum is located on the 3rd street from here. I'm in the 6th row of the concert hall. Our meeting is scheduled for the 9th of January. Remember, guys, we're focusing on pronunciation. She is the second person I met at the party. My birthday is on the 22nd of October. This is the 7th book I've read this month. The store is on the 12th street. They live on the 8th Avenue. The event is on the 9th of September. This is the 15th time I've called you today. She was the 4th person to arrive at the meeting. They live on the 11th floor of the building. The new store is located on the 20th street. For more information, visit and follow my social media accounts. You'll find me at davidenglish.info on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on Facebook, and on Instagram. Guys, thank you so much again, and check out my website. I'm here to help you. Let's make this channel grow too. Bye for now. Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugerman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.